Hello, welcome to Content Editor online training for the College of Arts and Sciences standard sites. In this video, we will review the different types of content that can be created and used in an ASC standard site. A content type is a collection of related data. Our content types consist of basic page, blog entry, events, news story, and person. We enter this data into Drupal using different forms. This is because we are not actually creating web pages. We are entering data into a database to be displayed according to the content type. The majority of the pages in any of our websites are built from a basic page form. New pages are created by content managers, the next level of training, but content editors can populate, format, and update these pages. In addition to text, basic pages can also show images and videos. The basic page can also be created with or without a slideshow. The next type of content, blog entry, will display in both the blog directory and as a blog page. Like blog entries, the next three content types, events, news story, and person, are also each entered onto one form, but may be displayed in different locations. Each may be displayed on the home page. However, whether or not they are displayed and how they are displayed depends on the home page layout options selected by the web content owner or content manager. When displayed on the home page, each may be displayed in a 1 or a 2 column layout. Each content type has a directory page, and each has its own individual page. Some key elements to note for the events content is when events are displayed on the home page, they are displayed in order of the next upcoming event to future events. The events directory page shows each event with a thumbnail image, but still in the order of next upcoming to future events. When there are more than 15 to 20 event items, Drupal automatically creates a second page, a third page, and so forth. As events pass, they drop off the list. However, they are not deleted from the website. Readers may locate them by using the calendar in the sidebar to review past events. When a date has a corresponding event, the date will be a link to a directory of that day's events, past or future. Events also have their own individual page with additional information. This gives you an opportunity to really entice participants to attend. In addition, the direct link to this page allows other marketing efforts to point directly to this event information. The next content type, news story, is much like events, but a news story is displayed on the home page with a thumbnail image and in the order of most recent news to older news. There are several home page layouts available. News is also displayed on a news directory page with a larger thumbnail image and again most recent to older. This page also contains a short teaser for each story. When there are more than 15 to 20 news items, Drupal again automatically creates a second page, a third page, and so forth. News items never drop off the list. They simply get pushed down further and further. Each news item is also displayed on its own individual page where it can be read in entirety. Also note that on the individual page, a short directory list of recent news stories also appears in the sidebar column. Last but not least, we have the person content type or people page. It also may be displayed on the home page, where each time the page is refreshed, different people are randomly selected for display from those for whom an image is displayed on their individual page. People also have a directory page, initially listed in alphabetical order, but which can be sorted with other filtering options. And each person has an individual page with a general text area, an image, and contact information, including a link to their personal site. These Drupal site pages are not intended to be used as personal website pages. They do not contain any personal information or CVs. For more personal information, we encourage the use of the OSU Professional Website Solution. Learn more about it and create your own site at u.osu.edu. These are the major content types available in a standard site. Of all of them, only the basic page must be created by a content manager. The remainder may be created by either a content editor or a content manager. Please continue with our next video to begin learning how to actually edit and create these content types.